Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You've just spent hours washing your car. It's spotless, shiny, and perfect. But then you let it air dry and boom, water spots and streaks all over the paint. Don't worry, today we'll fix that. In this video, we're checking out the 7 best microfiber drying towels that keep your car glossy, clean, and scratch-free. Stick around till the end for quick tips on how to care for and store them properly. Number 1. Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber. Best overall. Let's start with our top pick. The Chemical Guys Premium Microfiber Towel. It stands out for 2 reasons. First, it's made from a high-quality polyester and polyamide blend, making it super soft and absorbent. Second, its waffle weave texture traps water fast, helping you dry without streaks. It's gentle on paint, has silk edges to prevent scratches, and at 16 inches square, it's the perfect size for both paint and glass. Whether you're a beginner or a pro detailer, this towel gives your car that smooth, glossy finish every time. Number 2. Zwipes Auto Microfiber Towel. Best absorbance. Next up, the Zwipes Auto 879-2 Professional Waffle Drying Towel, known for its excellent absorbance. The waffle design soaks up water fast while trapping dirt to avoid scratches. A nice bonus. The top side stays dry, so your hands don't get soaked while drying. It's large enough to cover more area and works great on big panels like the hood or doors. Soft, durable, and affordable, Zwipes delivers pro-level results without breaking the bank. Number 3. Meguiar's Water Magnet Towel. Best budget buy. If you're on a budget, go for Meguiar's Water Magnet Microfiber Drying Towel. Meguiar's is a trusted name in car care, and this towel doesn't disappoint. It's super absorbent, fast-drying, and gentle on your car's paint. No streaks or swirls. It's also machine washable, so it's easy to reuse. The bright yellow color helps you spot dirt before wiping to keep your finish safe. If you want professional results at a budget price, Meguiar's is a solid choice. Number 4. El Gordo Extra Thick Microfiber. Best extra thick. At number 4, we've got the Chemical Guys El Gordo Extra Thick Professional Towel. This one's a beast. Thick, plush, and super absorbent, holding up to 10 times its weight in water. It's perfect for larger vehicles like SUVs and trucks. The texture feels luxurious and safe on paint, and it's completely lint-free, leaving no residue behind. Plus, it's treated with a water-repellent finish to dry faster and last longer. If you want a premium towel that gets the job done in one pass, El Gordo is worth it. Number 5. Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth. Best for big cars. If you drive a big car or truck, the Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth Drying Towel is for you. It's massive, measuring 36 by 25 inches. Big enough to soak up an entire car's worth of water. The thick, fluffy fibers glide smoothly over paint, and its edgeless design prevents scratches. It's perfect for quickly drying large surfaces, and the plush texture feels soft yet super effective. One swipe and you're done. No streaks, no water spots. Number 6. Chemical Guys Professional Grade Gold. Best premium quality. Next is the Chemical Guys Professional Grade Premium Gold Edition. Built for serious detailers, this towel combines ultra-soft fibers with high water absorption, up to 8 times its weight. The gold color looks stylish and makes it easy to spot dirt. Soft edges protect your car's finish, and the towel is tough enough for regular use. If you want a long-lasting, luxurious microfiber towel, this one's a top-tier choice. Number 7. Griot's Garage Terry Weave. Best soft and streak-free. Lastly, the Griot's Garage Terry Weave Drying Towel. One of the softest and most streak-free options available. Its double Terry Weave traps more water and leaves a spotless finish with 0 streaks. The satin edges prevent scratches, and the towel stays soft even after multiple washes. It's perfect for frequent detailers who want a flawless, mirror-like shine. If you care about that final spotless look, Griot's Garage Towel is a must-have. How to store and care for your towels. Once you've got your towels, caring for them the right way is key. Don't throw them on the ground or in a wet bag. That causes dirt buildup and mold. Instead, hang them on a clip hanger or let them air dry completely before storing. Keep them in a clean, dry place and always wash them separately. No fabric softeners or bleach. That keeps the microfiber fibers soft and effective for longer. Buying guide. Here are a few quick tips before buying your towel. Go for real microfiber. It's soft, absorbent, and safe for paint. If you wash your car often, buy multi-packs to save money. The ideal material mix is 80% polyester and 20% polyamide for maximum absorption. Don't go too cheap. You'll be using these towels regularly, so invest in quality that lasts. And that wraps up our list of the 7 best microfiber drying towels for cars. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which towel you use for your car. Thanks for watching. And remember, a clean car deserves a clean, streak-free finish.